You know, perfectly we are told that karma is a bitch. And karma repays for those people that have been mistreated. Karma works in miraculous ways once it comes to disciplining people for the sins that they did to others. John Matara is a man that was accused for killing Starlet Wahu. The sister too, city pastor Victor Kanyari. Now there was a midday drama which was witnessed within the court premises after Starlet Wahu's killer John Matara was assaulted by unknown individuals while he was being escorted to the courtroom. Now that his client was attacked, Matara's lawyer is now protesting loudly. The attorney felt it was very unfortunate that his client had been attacked inside the courthouse premises. The attorney went on to say that his client had previously been subjected to similar treatment after being attacked by two people a few days earlier while he was being held in a police cell. The lawyer now believes that this action has endangered his client's life. Now that he has cooperated with the Directorate of Criminal Investigation and has been cooperative, the attorney requested that the court grant him bail. Wow, how sarcastic. How sarcastic. Who will grant Starlet Wahu's bail from a grave? Who will grant a bail from the grave that she will come at least say hi to her mom for once? Say hi to her mother since she graduated few months ago and tell her mother, you know what, mom, I finally found a job. Who will grant Starlet Wahu that? So sarcastic of you, lawyer, or whatever you call yourself. Sometimes, yeah, it seems these people are working, but, choose the people that even you have to represent in a courtroom. So how do you even start in a courtroom representing a killer? Somebody who slaughtered somebody's daughter, man. It doesn't add up. Now, Kenyans, this comes after Matara was held for an additional 20 days to help the DCI finish up with the investigation. It is known that Matara was arrested following the death of Starlet Wahu at an Airbnb in Nairobi, South Sea estate. However, Matara denied all the claims of him being linked to a death. He pleaded not guilty, which is something again that we all know Matara did it. And sometimes I wonder how the court and the justice system works. Justice system sometimes protects people that are not supposed to be protected by the justice system. They are supposed to be given justice by the public. Like the Matara case. Let's speak about the reactions from Kenyans. Robert Owino says, if released on bail, he should be licked alive. He deserves no mercy. Scholastica Mora says, go ahead and grant him bail. He will be safe outside the court gates, actually. Yeah, give us him. Give us him. We shall serve him. We shall protect him as he protected Starlet. Jim Joseph says, those escorting the suspect to the court as an obligation to protect him. Assault is an assault, whether on a suspect under legal harm of the government or else. You go yourself and serve the law wherever you serve the law. Don't give us those ideologies that don't add up in our dominion, because they don't. As we live under the jurisdictions of our cultures, yeah, our cultures are the ones that protect us, and our cultures mostly say that we should protect our women. Now, that's what's up. Bernard Omwansu says his cohorts can't give him space to avoid more exposure. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe. This is FM Show KE. See you in the next one.